Hi guys, come let me show you how I made this easy oven roast snapper fish. First I wash my vegetables, herbs and spices, then I chop onion, tomato, red, green and yellow bell peppers along with scallion, thyme and hot pepper. I dice my okra set aside with some carrot and Irish. Then I thinly slice my garlic and peel the pumpkin, set all those aside. Next, I season my fish with salt, pepper, Maggi, all purpose. I then melt down some butter and add my onion, garlic, and stir that in. And added some pimento seed with all the other vegetables with a handful of callaloo. I did add a Maggi cock soup, saute everything and let steam. I went ahead and I add a little water to that steam again. And once it was nice, I taste and added some Maggi all purpose so that it could taste delicious. Then I went ahead, placed the fish on a foil, add the vegetables, some crackers, wrap those up. Then I prepare the pan. I add water to it, add the fish on it, and bake for 45 minutes in the oven.